After visiting more than 30 places of Xinjiang in northwest China over the past 3 months, Colombian content creator Fernando Munoz Bernal saw a real Xinjiang and could not help but share what he had experienced with others. Before 2021, when he first visited there, Fernando had never thought he would be closely associated with western parts of China, especially the remote inland regions of Xinjiang.
In here in 2021, I came to Urumqi, Kashgar, and Zetian to make 3 videos. So there's 3 videos and prove to people. And you can make videos in Xinjiang and you can visit Xinjiang freely. So that was the purpose. If I can do it, any journalist can do it. If I can do it, any Westerner can do it. You want to know the truth, you can do it. That was 2021 in the middle of the pandemic, and that was my first time.
During his 4-day trip in 2021, he saw the reality was completely different from what the Western media reported. He made 3 videos to refute some Western media's lies about Xinjiang. On April 9th this year, Fernando returned to Xinjiang with his wife, embarking on a journey aboard an RV that started from Hami.
It's been 3 months, and I've been traveling around 35, 36 different cities, or towns, villages, staying in free parking lots or RV camps. It's like the freedom to travel is one of the things that I want to depict. If you want to know, just come here. Don't come here to see the truth. If I can do it, why can't they? If I can do it, why can't all these journalists and people come here and see it? That's the reason. That's why I'm doing the work that I do.
Fernando and his wife met many people along the way, such as tourists from other provinces, local people from various ethnic groups, children, and so on. He was not only impressed by the diversity in Xinjiang, but also by friendly locals.
We get to talk to people, to see people, to interact with people. Everywhere we just go out, and you saw it. I just talked to the children, talked to the parents, to people. And this is the most natural interaction that you can expect. This peaceful, harmonious, safe life that they live.